Guys, this is my neighborhood creek, the flow out of my, or the runoff out of my neighborhood. You could paddle that right there for sure. Not this area over here. I'm talking about that main section, which I'm a little bit far back from. But it comes down here and goes under this bridge. You obviously would need to stay left here. That's a tight, you could easily get caught here if you didn't know what you were doing, but not saying I'm putting my boat in the water in this today by any stretch. All right, I'm going to cross the road again. Look on the output from the other side. Nice amount of flow. That's a nice amount of flow right there. Got some little rapids right down there. Amazing. Sure do miss it.